Hopefully you're not getting sick of hearing my voice or seeing my face. I thought we'd at least go outside together and go down memory lane. I'm just leaving the south side of the First Missionary Church, and if you look behind me, you can see those two windows that don't have the shades on them. The blinds are drawn up. That's where our Alumni Center is, and there's the entrance, and of course my little car. So anyways, I just thought I'd take you out on a walk for those that would like to join me. We're gonna turn this camera around so you don't have to see my mug, and see if you recognize anything. Let's see, I'm still trying to learn this, but Rudisill Boulevard is over there. And the Webb building, which we just vacated in late January. It's kind of chilly. I could go into that place, but we won't. But here I am walking down South Wayne Avenue and coming up to a house that I think early or upper 30s today in Fort Wayne, but perhaps this you recognize some of the neighborhood that you once walked with, perhaps your sweetheart or a friend. And Sharon Hall, it's great to see that you're watching today, as well as Molly Snyder. Thanks for checking in. We're looking for some ideas of what to do yet this afternoon. Some of our plans had to change due to the virus. As you can see, I'm keeping my social distance from everyone, just trying to get a little fresh air. Once again, for some of you that were on campus, do you remember what that was when you were here? Was it the Friendly Fox? Was it a pharmacy? Or was it the college bookstore? I know in all the years I've lived in Fort Wayne, it's been a little bit of everything. Hello there, Mandy and Daryl. Or Darrell. That's actually Daryl. Crawley, it's good to see you. Ken Mays. I have another walking tour I'll do a little bit later on this afternoon that I think you'll really enjoy. But just going to take a little bit of time here. You can see the back part of First Missionary Church, and that's where our Alumni Center is located. And of course, you see First Missionary just ahead. Ken Mays, thanks for checking in from California. Wow. We hope to see you this fall for a Crusaders reunion and or a concert with you. Like many churches, First Missionary Church has suspended their services due to the coronavirus. But a lot of churches are doing things online and what have you. And frankly, I hope that we can learn from this in reaching this generation. So here I'm coming up on Rudisill Boulevard. You're going to see Schultz Hall look much different than when you were students here. Since the fire, I believe it was in 2006, the windows have had to be boarded up. And but to think that your and my lives all were impacted and changed as a result of that building right there, where those men in the early 1900s walked simply through knee-high grass down South Wayne Avenue and felt God's call to plant the Fort Wayne Bible Training Center there. And of course, behind Schultz is Bethany. How many Bethany girls are out there? Hello there, Carolyn and Ruth. Great to see you. I appreciate you all checking in today. Then in the way down there on the right, remember the old campus corner, Leitner Hall? It's now owned privately. You think back over there behind Schultz and Bethany was Providence Hall, or the Cardboard Castle. Oh, it's my daughter, Faith. It's great to see you again. I hope you and David and your family are well. Miss you and your parents. Would love to be in Arizona now. Hello there, Sue. Here's the front side of First Missionary Church. So just continue to remember to pray for these churches as they, this is an unusual time, but what a great opportunity for us to reach a lost group of people that need Jesus. In fact, I'm hoping that you'll share what your church is perhaps doing to reach the lost during this unusual time. Hello there, Trudy. It's great to see you. I so appreciated, and Asira, I so appreciated seeing you, Trudy, at the Hall of Fame event that we had a year ago, February. Wow, what a blessing. And now you're a grandma. So anyways, just kind of did a circle. We're gonna head back inside, get a little warmth, and then we'll do another tour a little bit later of things that you'll remember. So with that, I'm gonna sign off. Don't forget, you can give your gift now online or via telephone. If you give it online, it's www